Hi, Adrian here from Fame Consulting, and we've got Factor Faux. This is the April Business Reminders edition. So we're going to jump right in. Okay, so let's see. Question one, or statement one, I should say. Retirement planning is something I can deal with later. What do you think? Fact? Faux? It's faux. Retirement planning is really tax strategy at the end of the day. You can't really put this off until later. You'll get to it, you'll think about it. It really needs to happen day one because, especially when it comes to like investments and other things, it can be really costly to kind of make a mistake up front or realize, oh, I didn't really pick the best strategy or the best option on day one. It could cost you money down the line to sell those stocks and then try and reinvest it into a better tax advantaged account. So it makes sense to really be intentional about what your goals are. It's not to say that, you don't change over time and that you won't have to, m- adjust things or correct a mistake or whatever the case may be. Things may change, the government changes policies, you may change, and that's okay. But if you can try your best to make an informed decision with the best available information that you have available right now, why not do that? So don't put off retirement strategy and thinking about what you want to do for retirement because it could mean that you're overpaying on your taxes right now. Depending on what your long term goals are, your current setup and situation may not be the most efficient. So, with that being said, there's going to be a link at the end, a QR code. You might want to schedule a consultation so we can just review, revisit, or get you connected with a financial advisor that can support you on this. But retirement planning is something that you need to either be in progress of right now or something that you need to get on top of tomorrow. It doesn't matter if you don't have $1 million right now. If you want to get to that $1 million later on, you can start now even with a small amount. But this is my CTA, my call to action. Don't put off thinking about retirement for later, especially if you're young. Just don't put it off. That's it. Okay, I'm done. I belabored that. All right. My bookkeeping system automatically reconciles everything. This is an oldie but goodie, and it's faux. Your books must be reconciled to your bank statements, period. Full stop. Next. A tax extension gives me more time to pay. Another oldie but goodie. And these last two questions are so important. That's why I brought them back. Faux. An extension gives you more time to file. It does not give you more time to pay. The due date is the due date. It's the due date. It's the day that your taxes are due. And as a bonus, April 15th is the due day for your extension and any final extension payments, but it's also the day that your Q1 2026 taxes are due for estimated tax payments. So your first estimated tax payment for this year is also due on April 15th. April 15th has just a bunch of great things that are due on that day. Next, and our final statement for today. If my books are clean, I'm all set. I think you see a pattern here. Also faux. Clean books are the baseline. That's just compliance. That's just, hey, I have my numbers so I can file them. But it's not a strategy. Just having your bookkeeping done, that's like bare minimum. The next step to level up, you should be doing a budget to actual. If you're paying for your bookkeeping, especially, that's great. That means that you'll be able to file your taxes on time. You have your numbers, great. But if you really want to unlock the true value of bookkeeping and really level up to the next level, you should be doing a monthly or minimum quarterly budget to actual review. If you don't have a budget set up yet, no judgment. That's okay. Create one tomorrow, right? There's no time like the present. create the budget, compare it to your bookkeeping, which is the actual, and see how you're tracking. Um, that's how you're going to unlock the ability to make strategies, make decisions, and see what you need to shift and adjust in your business. We can't just keep doing the same things over and over, hoping for new results. If we want to make intentional decisions, budget to actual is how to do that. And that's everything I have for today. So thank you for watching this video. If you need a one-on-one connection, consultation, a reference, a recommendation, please schedule a consultation with me. This is a QR code for a 15-minute consultation. So it's quick, it's easy, it's free, but I'll be able to give you some personalized advice to get you to where you're trying to go. All right. So that's everything I have for today. Hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for the next episode. Ciao.